Welcome to My Water Use, your personal dashboard for tracking water usage, detecting leaks early, and staying in control of your bill. With just a few clicks, you can get real-time alerts about possible leaks, see projected bills based on current usage, reach your water efficiency goals, and most importantly, save money and avoid surprises. Let's get started by logging in. Head to alevenheim.com/ebills and enter your login and password. Don't have an account? Click right here to enroll. Enter your account number and your zip code, then follow the steps to set up your username and password. Already registered? Just log in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, to access the My Water Use dashboard, click on View Bill and Usage, then click on View Usage. This is your My Water Use dashboard. On the top left, you'll see your account information. Make sure to verify that your information is correct. The top middle displays information about your current billing period. Here you can see your estimated or projected bill for this billing period, your water use so far, and your projected water use. If you want to export your meter reading history, click the Export button right here. Want to receive notification alerts when your water usage reaches certain thresholds? Click on the My Thresholds button to open up these settings and make changes. In this example, the customer will receive an alert when the bill is estimated to exceed $200. Here they will receive an alert if more than 10 gallons of water is used every hour for a 24-hour period, which could indicate a leak on the property. If you're getting too many alerts, don't worry. You can always log back in later to make any adjustments. Want to make sure you're signed up for alerts? Just click on your name in the top right and then click on User Settings. You can sign up for alerts via email, text message, or phone call. This top right section is where your alert history is displayed. You can click on an alert to view the details. This area here is your water usage bar graph. You can view your water usage for the past 24 hours, 48 hours, all the way up to the past 12 months. It's always a good idea to log in to identify any spikes in your water use. This line graph at the bottom, this shows the average temperature as well as the amount of rainfall during that specific time frame. Staying informed and efficient has never been easier. Log in today to take control of your water use and your water bill. If you have any questions, give us a call at 760-753-6466.